Welcome, beautiful souls, to this space of infinite possibility. Today, we're diving deep into the realm of fifth dimensional unity consciousness, where separation dissolves into collective oneness, and the energies of 2025 are realigning everything for higher vibrational living.
That's right. It's like the veil is lifting and we're all being invited to step into something way more expansive than we've ever felt before, huh?
Absolutely. When we talk about 5D unity consciousness, think of it as a shift from me to we, where our individual sparks merge into a blazing cosmic network. It's like, instead of isolation, we're all interconnected threads in one vast cosmic tapestry.
Exactly. It's fascinating because it challenges the old narratives, isn't it? The ones that keep us stuck in disunity and competition.
Right. And it's important to note, this isn't about losing our individuality. It's about understanding that our unique energy adds to the whole. Each of us is a note in a beautiful symphony, creating a collective melody of love and unity.
True. Now, speaking of symphonies, let's talk about Earth in 2025. It seems like the planet itself is tuning into this higher frequency, and we're feeling it in every cell, isn't that so?
Yes, indeed. In 2025, high vibrational frequencies are pouring into our planet, realigning old energies, and inviting us to shed outdated modes of being. It feels like Gaia herself is calling us back to a state of wholeness, like a grand reset button for the soul of humanity.
Yeah, I feel that. Exactly. Think of it as a cosmic reboot where ancient wisdom returns to guide us, and synchronicities are painting our lives with purpose and meaning.
And that brings us to the intriguing notion of higher dimensional light vehicles. Now, I know that term might sound a bit sci-fi at first, but it's really about activating your innate spirit light body. It's like your personal chariot that helps you traverse these higher dimensions here and now.
So, in a way, you're saying that by working on ourselves, we can actually inhabit this multidimensional space through our own light, right?
Exactly. Think of it as tuning your inner instrument. When you activate your higher light body, often referred to as the Merkaba, you start to, in effect, pilot your existence consciously, connecting with universal love and wisdom.
That's powerful indeed. But how do we practically get there? I mean, words like activate sound inspirational, but can you break it down for us?
Definitely. Let's get practical. Here are some everyday steps to resonate more with these higher energies. First up, daily meditation. Just a few minutes visualizing yourself as a radiant point in a cosmic web of unity. Imagine each thought and breath interconnecting you with every being around.
Yep, that makes sense. Yeah, and I love the idea of heart-centered practices, like taking a few moments each day to focus on your heart, breathe deeply, and send love outwards. It's such a simple yet profound practice.
Right, exactly. And then there's nature connection. Whether it's a walk in the park or just sitting under a tree, allowing yourself to feel the living pulse of nature really bridges the gap between our inner world and the vast external universe.
Absolutely. And don't forget about acts of kindness. Service is a tangible way to weave 5D energy into our day-to-day lives. Even small gestures can amplify our collective vibration.
Right. Now, one of the things I keep coming back to is the need to release the old, like those judgmental thoughts, fears, and limiting beliefs that hold us back. You affirm, I am one with all life, and gently let those outdated patterns fall away.
Yeah, I totally get that. Though I do wonder sometimes, is it a bit too idealistic to just let go? For many, those old wounds are deep. How do you suggest we handle that?
Good point. It's definitely not an overnight process. It starts with awareness, recognizing those thoughts, maybe journaling about them, and gradually, through meditation and mindful practice, you begin to demystify them. It's like peeling layers off an onion. Each layer
That's a
reveals
really
more
helpful
radiant
analogy.
truth underneath.
I appreciate that perspective. It acknowledges that the journey is both gentle and persistent. And speaking of journeys, how do we see these practices manifesting in our day-to-day life?
Well, as you embody these practices, you begin to notice subtle but profound shifts. Conversations become richer. A sense of inner calm seeps into even chaotic moments, and you feel more aligned with your purpose. It's like tuning into a radio frequency of love that guides
Totally.
every action.
It's almost like you're restructuring your entire being, aligning every cell, every heartbeat with the cosmic rhythm.
Exactly, exactly. And the ancient wisdom that's making its way back into our collective memory, that too plays a huge role. Many traditions, from shamanic practices to Eastern philosophies, have been speaking about unity and multidimensional existence for centuries. Now, in 2025, we're seeing a convergence of all that timeless knowledge with modern science and intuition.
Right on. It really feels like we're on the brink of a new era, one where the collective spirit is not only acknowledged but celebrated. And it starts with each one of us taking small, decisive steps in our daily lives.
Yes, every conscious act, even something as simple as a kind word or a mindful breath, contributes to this grand shift. It's like we're all co-composers of an evolving symphony of unity and love.
That's inspiring. And what about those higher dimensional light vehicles? I mean, some might say it's a bit abstract, like how do we really inhabit them?
Good question. It might sound like something from a futuristic movie, but it's really about, as we said, the activation of your spirit light body. This process involves meditation, energy work, and, importantly, an openness to the subtle, what some might call the intuitive knowing. It's a practical unfolding of what many ancient texts have hinted at, an ongoing commitment to living as a multidimensional being.
Got it, makes sense. So basically, it's about actively embracing a higher vibrational lifestyle, right? Not just waiting for it to happen, but consciously striving for that state.
Yes, exactly. And remember, it's not about perfection. It's about progress and honoring every step as part of your evolution. Even when old fears pop up, each moment is an opportunity to reaffirm your oneness with all life.
Absolutely, every step counts. As we wrap up today's conversation, it seems clear that fifth dimensional unity consciousness isn't just a concept, but a lived experience. It's about aligning with the higher energies, embracing the shift in Earth's vibrational frequency, and most importantly, nurturing our inner light so that we can truly inhabit these new dimensions.
Right on. And just remember the power of daily practice, whether it's meditating, connecting with nature, or being kind in everyday interactions. Each effort is like a ripple that contributes to the entire ocean of collective awakening.
Yeah, every ripple matters. It's such a beautiful reminder that change begins within and radiates outward. And I think that's the invitation here, to step into that higher vibration intentionally every single day as a part of this new era we're co-creating.
Indeed, it's an invitation to embody love, unity, and light. As we conclude today, let's take a deep, mindful breath together, grounded in the present moment and open to the infinite possibilities unfolding all around us.
Right, let's do that. Thank you for joining in this heartfelt exploration. Wherever you are, wherever you're headed, know that you are a vital part of this magnificent cosmic dance.
Well said. Until next time, keep shining your light, stay connected to that 5D unity, and remember, every small conscious act contributes to the grand tapestry of existence.
Stay uplifted, stay inspired, and as always, be gentle with yourself and others. Thanks for being here on this journey.
Take care, beautiful souls. Embrace the frequency and let your inner light guide you into those higher dimensions.